Hey first graders, I'm Mrs. Kimball, here to teach you another game for this week. This week we're going to be learning how to play a game called Grab Bag. Here's what you'll need. Any bag, it can be clear or not, and you'll need your counters, your red and yellow counters. Some of you might have red and white counters, that works. Maybe you could use Fruit Loops. Maybe you could use Legos. Whatever you decide to use, make sure that they're two different colors, okay? I'm going to take my counters and and you'll need either a whiteboard to record your equations or a blank piece of paper, okay? I'm going to start by taking 5 counters and putting them in my bag, okay? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all 5 and I'm going to split them into 2 groups. And I'm going to lay them out on my playing surface. And then I'm going to organize the colors together so I have 2 different groups. Now I'm going to use these 2 parts to say an equation, and then I'm going to record it. 3 plus 2 equals 5. I'm going to take that and record it on my recording sheet. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Back in the bag they go. I'm going to shake them around. I'll scoop them all back up in my hand again. Separate them into 2 different groups. And this time, and actually I didn't really have to separate them into 2 groups. I just had to drop them. And then I'm going to organize them in the 2 different colors. Now I have 2 parts, and I can say my equation. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Do it again. Put them back into our bag, shake it up, and this time if you just want to dump them out and see what happens. Here they are on my playing surface. I'm going to separate them into my 2 parts. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. What if I switched these around and I put those 2 first? What would that make my equation? Oops. I could write a new equation. 2 plus 3 equals 5. If you're ready to change it up, I would suggest adding another counter to the bag. So we learned a lot about one more, one less last week. If I had 5 counters and I add 1 more, now I have 6 all together. Let's try this one. Dump them out. Here they are on my playing surface. I'm going to rearrange them according to color. And now, what do I have? 4 plus 2 equals 6. I'm going to record that on my recording sheet. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Put them back in my bag, and I'm going to keep going. You can keep adding counters as much as you feel comfortable with. You can play against someone else. You can take turns with a brother or sister or someone in your learning space. Whatever you do, have fun with it. Have fun exploring.